Hello guys, in this video we are going to answer three questions: who is developer, who is programmer, and who is coder. So first, the developer. So the developers are involved with a greater understanding of a full project scope. A developer is an individual that builds and creates software and applications. He or she write, debug, and executes the source code of a software application. The developer, also known as software developer, software engineer, computer programmer, or software coder. Second, the programmer. The programmers are involved in a specific part of the project. A programmer is an individual that writes or creates computer software or applications by giving computer-specific programming instructions. And last, the coder. The coders are considered the least trained or experienced level of programmers. The coders are usually tasked with writing straightforward piece of code that can easily be delegated by the developers. We can call them junior programmer or junior developer. With that, we can say that the developer is a big part. Then inside that there is a programmer, and inside that there is a coder. Thank you.